thought it's a great honor to have kissed Buzz now. so, welcome to Jeddah, welcome to our part of the world, and thank you, Red Sea, for the lovely invitation and the lovely effort you're doing. And if I may say, that Palestine is always in our hearts. So, the Best Feature Film Award represents the great efforts of each and every creative mind and power in the cinema industry. The winner of the Silver Yusr, and I love that name Yusr, you know, it comes back to me again. Best Feature Film would go to Tarsim Sena.